Independent client, customer Wright. This is a home for Vivid Construction. Let's go over real quick what we've done here in the kitchen area. We have another master bath, and then we also have a laundry room area that we're working on. First of all, here we've got a pantry cabinet, 30-inch pantry cabinet. This is really unique as far as the handles. All the handles here are horizontal or finger pulls, so they're actually wrap around for the door, and they come together in a little group like that. Here on the bottom, this has actually got a base that's built into it. It's flush, so we did an outside corner wrap on that base. Here, you've got the same thing built down here for the material. This is going to give you 70 inches for your refrigerator, but it hides all of the maple finish that's inside, so you don't have a ton of maple that's going to show out. Here on the interior, all the cabinets are completely installed. Over here, we've done some shelves. These are free hanging shelves. I call them floating shelves, but these are built in place with cleats. We did a different video on those. Give you a real quick look at those. They actually have a finished front edge to them. There you go. And so they've got a little bit of a detail here in the front where they step back. Same thing on the one above it. I'm going to wrap these in foam so that we don't have any problems with anything getting scratched or whatever before the client moves in. This particular home, they did voided corner sections in both corners simply because they wanted so many drawer spaces. So here we've got a double drawer. Both of these function well. Big drawers for pots and pans, I guess. Right here, you've got 3 section drawers. So you got 3 section drawer left, 30 and 27. Okay, this is a 27 3-section drawer. Again, nice big deep drawers, all that drawer space. Really cool looking in the corner here. Here we did a 21-inch double tub pull out. And again, this is in the Lincoln Road Well-Worn Forest product. And it's a self-return. Full height doors for the sink base area. Very unique. We got a lot of people that are starting to do that simply because I have a line of sight all the way to the back of the actual sink area. So there's no hiding anything in the back there as far as cleaners. Everything's very easy to see. 24 inches on your dishwasher opening. Let's take a look at that real quick. Here you go, 24 inches top and bottom. Again, 3-section drawer 27 and a 3-section drawer 30. Here, 27's on the left. All of those are working. Okay, 3-section drawer 30, plenty of room, 27 by 27 void space. We did a fill in there to make that happen with the fillers. 27 by 27, no problem at all as far as getting close to anything there. Same thing there. Same thing there. On this one, full height doors are flanking the right and left hand side of the stove area. This is a 36-inch professional type stove. It's going to have a gas and an oven component to it. Above, we did a birch, B-E-R-T-C-H, birch range hood with an included component. Here you can see the liner and hood and everything is all together. We've left the additional hardware here, and then these are all clip covers that come off that hide the hardware so that this can come down. This is a Venta hood product is what this is. As far as the hole opening on this one, I'm sorry, start here, doors, we put a restrictor clip on this one. We move the bumpers over to this position where they'd still be functional bumpers. 36 inches on the space here. Again, 36 full height door on the right, 24-inch door to the corner, filter to the corner. And again, we did the full depth shelf option on these instead of the half depth shelf, full depth option. That way you can get quite a bit of stuff right and left-hand side of your stove. This one here, we did the half depth shelf just to give you some additional space in the front. Here's your island, 2 36s and a 21 drawer. Another recycling bin in the middle of this one. This one we've got a wrapped base on the bottom of it, quarter round. We have our corbel offsets here. This one you'll notice is a 3/4 inch back panel. That 3/4 inch back panel is integral to these corbels. They're screwed from the back of it, so that way the corbels themselves are as strong as they can be. On the other side here, this is what we call a stiff wall back. On the other side, you have your 1.25 inch screws on that. Here on the bottom, you've got your doors on the right and left. These are half-depth shelves in the island. Here on this one, again, slow close on the upper. 2 tub trash again on the 21 inch in the middle, slow close return. Double doors, half depth shelf in the center. Same thing here, full depth. The last area we have is a built-in wet bar area. So it's just a cabinet with a full flush base, wrap on the bottom of it with the moldings as well as the quarter rounds. And again, everything in it is working right now.